Yes, hello student. So today we will see the topic that is what is VLSI, the basic of VLSI, what is the definition of VLSI, and what are the applications of VLSI. Because as far as the syllabus is concerned, these only two things are important. Basically, the VLSI is very vast subject or the concept. But for this lecture, we are going to see what is VLSI, what are the features of VLSI, and what are the different application of VLSI, right? Uh, 2 मार्क्स के लिए नहीं तो 4 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. So VLSI is what? VLSI is what? Very large scale integration. It is what? Very large scale integration. It is a process of integrating million or even billion of transistor onto the single integrated IC chips to perform complex electronic function. Okay. So VLSI एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जिससे हम क्या करते हैं, n number of transistor, n number of components we are fabricated, we are integrated on a single chip, that is IC. And this technology, it is called as a VLSI technology. Okay. So VLSI is a technology used to fabricate integrated circuit by placing million and billions of transistors on the semiconductor chip. Okay. So this is what the VLSI. Yes. So what are the different features of VLSI? It integrates million to billions of transistors on a single chip. This is the first thing. Then second is what? High processing speed. Yes. Consumes less power, reduces the size. Of course, it reduces the size because millions and trillions of transistors we are placing on the single small chip, and increase the reliability, reduces the manufacturing cost. So these are the features or the advantages you can say for the VLSI technology. And what are the applications of VLSI? See, microprocessor and microcontrollers, whatever the PC we are using, that CPU we are using, GPU, ARM processor, Arduino, in that the microprocessors, in that VLSI is used. Then memory devices, so RAM, ROM, फ्लैश मेमोरी, SSD कंट्रोलर जो हम यूज़ करते हैं नॉर्मली, उसमें भी VLSI, मतलब जो कुछ भी हम डिजिटल काइंड ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है उसमें VLSI होता ही होता है, right? The mobile phones and tablets, in computers and laptops, consumer electronics, communication system, that is router, modern Wi-Fi chips, Bluetooth devices, automotive electronics, that is engine control unit, ABS airbag controller, which you might have heard these words in the car. Then the medical electronics, ECG machines, MRI systems, industrial automation, their AI and machine learning, aerospace and defense, in Internet of Things. Means wherever there is a digital thing, there is a VLSI. Okay. So these are the few applications of the VLSI. The question is, what are the applications of VLSI? You have to write 6 to 7 applications in VLSI. Okay. So this is very small topic as you are a first year student. So actually, I have told you this VLSI is very vast concept. You can see all the technology. Okay. Thank you so much. If any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.